Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple short. Joinandcoin here. Thanks for your support. All right, so with Bitcoin, I was expecting this week for Bitcoin to rise from here to the Fed meeting. And then if you bring up the EMAs on the 4-hourly, I was expecting some bad news and a rejection from here. But obviously, the Fed news were good for the crypto. So Bitcoin had a pump here and broke all the EMAs and also this resistance line here. Bitcoin not only broke this resistance line here, Bitcoin came for a retest of the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly and now is trading above this major resistance line. And at the time of recording, Bitcoin is trying to break this very important 24,000 US dollar area. So what to expect next for Bitcoin? Well, the EMAs are all below the price on the 4-hourly. But we have to be a bit cautious because we are in the overbought condition on the RSI on the 4-hourly. Look at the MACD. It clearly suggests that Bitcoin, is in a bull trend here. So what are the next targets? Well, let's jump to the daily. On the daily, we can clearly see Bitcoin is trading here in this channel, and with the recent pump is above this support line here. So Bitcoin at the time of recording is not only above the EMA 20 and the EMA 50 on the daily time frame, it is also above the 200-week SMA. So can Bitcoin close the week above the 200-week SMA? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? The next targets to the upside, if Bitcoin can push higher from here, because if you take a look on the RSI, it clearly looks bullish at the moment, and also the MACD shows that we have some bullish momentum here. The next major resistance for Bitcoin is here the 100-week EMA on the daily time frame, which lies around 27,000 US dollars as the time of recording. If Bitcoin can push to the 100 EMA on the 27,000 US dollar area, what would be the next targets? So this is the linear chart. If you bring up the Fibonacci from the swing high in March to the swing low here in 18th of June, then we can see also here, if we bring up the EMAs again, that the EMA 100 lies around the 0.702. 27,000 US dollars should be a heavy resistance for Bitcoin. And then if this is broken to the upside, then the 28,200. So 27,000 first target, 28,200 to the upside. Back to the logarithmic chart, levels to the downside are, as the time of recording, with the EMA 50 on the daily time frame, the 23 2K, and then the EMA 20 at 22 4K, and again this support line here, which lines around 20,200 as the time of recording. So let's take a look on the DXY. As you're following my channel, then you will know that from this swing high to this swing low, from 2001 to 2008, the DXY exactly got rejected at the 0.786 retracement level. So what is the DXY telling us for the short term? Well, if we take a look here, first, we have a bearish divergence on the weekly, as you will know. Then, the next one is on the 4-hourly. We can see here that the DXY found resistance here in May, resistance here in June, broke through this resistance line, and now lost it again, retested it as a resistance, and is now heading to the downside. So the RSI suggests that, we could have some nice green candles in the cryptos for the moment, because there is some bearish momentum here on the DXY in the short term. And let's take a look on the daily. Also on the daily, you can see RSI and MACD suggests that the DXY, if this is not here the turning point, in general, could have some red candles in the coming days. Finally, let's take a look on the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is here falling, and we could make the case, if we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see here that the Bitcoin dominance was rising and then fell down off this channel. So it was in a kind of rising channel, but then fell down, and this marked here the alt season in 2021. So what does the Bitcoin dominance tell us right now? Well, if you take a close look here, we can see we had a high, a lower high, and then one higher high. So if you take a look here, we got a high, a lower high, one higher high, and then the push to the downside. So for me, it looks like it is kind of similar to this situation here, right? So we had a high, a lower high, one lower high, and one push to the upside. And this is now the question, because if the dominance will fall like this here, then we can see juicy gains in the altcoins, in the coming weeks. So this is very important to watch here what the dominance is doing. Also, if we take here, look at this resistance line here. If we take it and bring it up to the price action in 2020, 21, we can also see that something similar happened. One time, rejected, had a fake out, and then fell out of it. So we will see if this plays out, but if this is playing out here and the dominance is falling down from this channel, then we can prepare for very nice gains in the altcoins in the coming weeks and months. All right, this was my short update to Bitcoin. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. Wish you a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.